And Sangeeta, as you know, already we have jumped on to the next course and going through our Nada Yoga, where we are having a lot of fun. But when an important part of this whole course, and going through yesterday the book, I realized how much you have also contributed to the learning in this course. So thank you so much, Sangeeta.
Thank you so much, sir. Namaste, namaste, Amaji. I found the original certificate of the yoga step-by-step from 10 years ago, Amma. And you signed it and graded it. It was so beautiful, beautiful. Thank you for making me the 2010 Student of the Year. I will always be proud of it, dear Amaji. So thank you for everything. Like, I wouldn't be here. I would never dream of being a mentor. And I started the journey because I needed it and to be able to give back. I agree with Radu. It's quite intimidating actually most of the time, but we keep pushing. So I wanted to just chant a very short song for Amaji, sir, if I could.
Yes, yes.
Jagat Janani Jaganmata Adipara Shakti Palayamam. Jagat Janani Jaganmata Adipara Shakti Palayamam. Adipara Shakti Palayamam. Adipara Shakti Palayamam. Madurai Meenakshi Palayamam. Madurai Meenakshi Palayamam. Short version to thank you from all of us, Samaji, for all of us. You change our lives every day. So we are so grateful to you. And then to you, Dr. Sir, what can we say? Like, there's no words to express what you share with us every day. And the embodiment of the teachings through you as a human being, as a son, as a husband, as a father, as a teacher. You embody all of this for us as a role model. So it's an applied learning of what you share with us. And thank you for all of it, and thank you for giving each one of us a chance to support each other. So I have a short song for you too. It's a very short one. Ananda Gurunatha Ananda Gurunatha Ananda Gurunatha Ananda Gurunatha Gitananda Gurunatha Ananda Gurunatha Ananda Gurunatha Ramana Ananda Gurunatha Om Ji Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Thank you, sir. And last but not least, to all of us who are now embarking yet and over again on this journey together, as we're all on the same samskaric karmic boat, may we all grow together. May we all support each other. May we not bite each other's throats. May we not pull each other down in bouts of jealousy and scorn. May we forgive each other, because we all want to be as a shining example as the Bhavanani family is, but we are small, we have faults, we fall. So may we not enjoy each other's faults. In fact, may we protect each other, and may we continue to keep this family strong together. And so, last but not least, Om Sahana vavatu sahanau bhunaktu sahaviryam karavavahai tejasvinavadhitam astu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti 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 Om. Thank you so much.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, Sangeeta. Thank you for that very beautiful expression that I think has touched each and every one, touched everyone very deeply. And I think what you have spoken is the word that resonates with each and every one. Thank you so much.